YouTube, what's going on, man? It's your boy Sheik with DTK, and I'm here today to discuss SPY from today and kind of give us a look ahead on what I expect to see from SPY for the rest of the week. So let's jump into it. I'm going to go over some of the plays that were available today and what we could have played and what we did play. So let's hop right in. First thing I like to do in pre-market before the market opens is I really like to mark yesterday's levels, previous day, which was Friday. So around, I'd say around, the closing was 404.15. And then I like to mark some pre-market highs, pre-market low. And then obviously you won't see it on this chart, but I have weekly and daily levels. But I kind of don't really need those for today because we had a great opportunity to use a simple setup to get into a play right at open. First thing we did was I hopped over to the 15-minute chart. I saw this little opening range right here on the first candle, marked the top. Bottom is a simple 15-minute opening range breakout strategy that super simple beginners can use. Mark the top and bottom of that 15-minute candle, and then I like to hop back over to the 5. I like keeping the VWAP on there just to see, as you can see, the price held the VWAP in the first 30 minutes of the market. Had this huge reversal candle where buyers came in and pushed it right back above. And then if you can see on the 5-minute candle right here, we had some volume start popping off. We entered calls right here. As you can see, it went from 405.82 all the way up to 407.50 basically. This was a huge move. I think we grabbed 60% on calls, on the 407 calls. We took next day expiration. If we would have played ODTE, we would have got well over 100%. But want to play it safe with this choppy market and a lot of feds coming out and talking, yapping out the side of their damn mouth. So we don't want to get caught in ODTs on days like this, especially since SPY's still kind of in a range. But anyway, we used opening range breakout, took this play, got a nice 60% play, kind of took a break, the midday chop came in. As you can see, it's one of my favorite patterns to play, the double top. Now there's a few ways you can play it. This was kind of a double, triple top. You can either play it a few ways. So you can play it with a trend line. Let's see, sorry. From open, this bottom range, all the way to the top. You can play this breakdown. You can play the rejection of this candle of the double top and take a risky play. If you're, advanced like I am, some of the people in our Discord are, you might have played puts right here off this rejection as you saw price coming down with low volume going into another rejection of the high of the day. You could have played there, or if you want to play it safe, you play on the breakdown of the trend, which is around here. Or if you want to play even safer, right when the price crosses the VWAP, going into bearish territory, you could have played this, still would have made a lot of money. These are very, very simple setups. As you can see, we kept breaking down, bear flag, breakdown, bear flag, breakdown, bear flag, breakdown, chop, 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 a little bit of a rising wedge, breakdown, and then we ended the day. As you can see, the price went all the way down to Friday's close, so Friday's close. So Friday's close was a big mark to take profit on puts. Now, let's see what tomorrow holds as I go into my daily candles. On the daily right here, we printed a bearish pin bar. This is usually a sign of reversal. Gapped up twice on huge, green candles, engulfing candles. As today, volume started to die out at this level right here at around 407.5. We saw a huge reversal. And then with Jerome Powell talking tomorrow, he's testifying the next 2 days to Congress. It would be wise to take some puts tomorrow, but obviously it depends on what Jerome Powell has to say. If you want to play it safe, play some, you know, Friday expiration puts. But you can also play ODTE depending on what he says. You want to look for keywords. If he's talking about inflation, if he's talking about raising rates, just got to keep an eye out for that conference. It's going to be huge. I truly believe this rally is pretty much over. We hit a little a supply area right here, as you can see. We've rejected off this level a few times, so I could see us coming back down, possibly coming down and filling this gap right here at 397, and then we'll see what happens from there. But my lesson for tomorrow is wait and see what Jerome Powell's going to say. Don't play the open. It's probably going to be choppy at open, and then just kind of gauge it based on what Jerome Powell has to say. Yep. Other than that, that's my breakdown SPY. Stay tuned for more breakdowns. I'm going to try to do one of these every single day after market. So stay tuned for tomorrow's update after we see what Jerome Powell has to say. And remember to like, follow, share this video. Follow us on all the socials at DTK Dreamers on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. Also, you can follow my personal Instagram, Chic Up Your Life. My Twitter at Chic, DTK Chic. I also have a TikTok, Chic Up Your Life, and then obviously my YouTube page, Chic at DTK. So keep an eye out for these videos, and if you want to get some more in-depth analysis, live plays, hit the link in the bio, join the Discord, and let's fucking make this money, man.